Sitting by the fire, friends and family at our side. I can hear the sleigh bells ring, you know it's Christmas time. Merry carols sung with glee, presents wrapped under the tree. Santa's going by on a sleigh ride, like walking through a dream. It's just like magic. We are having so much fun with all our loved ones.
Okay, good morning, dreamer. Thanks for meeting me back here today for another episode of Vlogmas. Okay, now that the car stopped beeping, we are going to another dry needling appointment. Car was on, I just turned it off. Maybe I need some more coffee. It is a very dreary day today. I would probably not be going out if I didn't have an appointment, but you know, that's okay. I do feel like the dry needling is helping, even though this morning my back feels not very good. I straightened the house a little bit yesterday. I'm sure you've seen that in the vlog. And today I'll show you what we did with the living room whenever I get back to it. But that's really all that's kind of on the agenda. I have my dry cleaning here, so I have a few more things that I need to kind of take into like the dry cleaners, and then I need to pick up my dry cleaning today because can you believe it was last Monday that we dropped it off. So it's definitely done and we got to go pick it up. I don't think I'll probably chat with you much whenever I'm out and about. I think I'll catch up with you whenever I get back to the house. And I think what we're gonna do this evening is like a little bit of like a self-care routine. I think that kind of like sounds fun. We can get out some products and maybe extra moisturize when feeling like really dry. So I think that sounds pretty good. So come along with me for that if you want. Guys, I just stopped at Menards on my way home from dry needling, and I stopped and our stocking just collapsed on the floor. I spoke too soon the other day about none of them like falling down, so I'm gonna have to re-tape it, but everything else still holding up right now. But yeah, we just lost a stocking. I do bump that one whenever I go in and out of the car, so maybe that's it. I also could have just bumped it with my dry cleaning because I just picked up my dry cleaning from last Monday and dropped off some more stuff. It's amazing getting things dry cleaned here in Southern Illinois. I had 3 pieces and a huge trench coat, and the total was $36. If I just got the trench coat dry cleaned in Florida, it probably would have been over $36. Dry cleaning down there is insane. I got a blazer done, I think last year, and I think they charged me $25, $30 just for like one blazer. It's so expensive to get things dry cleaned down there, but I was very happy to get my total here. I was gonna wait till I got home, but since I'm already talking to you guys, I thought that I would tell you about like dry needling today. There was no dry needling. He just, I guess, like very roughly massaged me, like really intensely. He got a tear out of me, which is why I never wear mascara to the chiropractor, because a lot of times you're like face down and like rubbing your face all over the white paper that they have protecting the bench, and it was quite painful, like really painful. The dry needling's nothing compared to how he kind of just massaged. I know nothing about anatomy, but supposedly like the muscle group is like kind of like, is some of it's in like the front on like the side of my like stomach, and then some of it is in my back, but like the real problem point is almost like really inside, so he's having a hard time like getting to it. It's like on the back side of one of the muscle groups. Don't know, but maybe he got to it because it felt like he was like reaching through me. It's gonna be interesting how I feel kind of like the rest of the day. I definitely feel sore, and he just told me to keep working on my like posture and everything, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I do think I'm feeling better or more sore. I'm not sure. Better and worse at the same time. But we're gonna go home and take a bath, so that's gonna make, that's gonna be pretty nice. So let's get this done and then get back home. Thought I would update you guys. I had a quick lunch when I got home, and now I'm just starting like editing. I got my little coffee over here. It's pretty late in the day, and I don't have yesterday's Vlogmas up. I just kind of got away from me, and I got like behind one day somewhere. I think it was like date night put me behind because I was filming that so late in the day. And I probably should have stayed up and edited it, but I didn't. But it's just been putting me further and further behind. So hopefully I can kind of get it all caught up today is kind of what I'm hoping. Okay. All right. I am done for the day, I think. I still actually need to send a work email or two, but I can do that from the bathtub. So let's go get our little self-care on, but I wanted to show you the living room first. Obviously still not perfect yet, but honestly, better. We'll get there. So I think I like this layout, but I might move the love seat over here and the big chair over here. We'll see how it goes, but we're gonna do this for a couple days and see how we feel. A little bit different than last time you see me. I thought I would walk you through my bath routine. I wash my hair first and put a mask on it, so it's going to sit, and I'll wash it out at the end. What I wash my hair in is this scalp scrub that I actually really, really recommend. And I exfoliate my face with the Kate Somerville, her exfoliant wash. I don't do that every time at all. My skin's almost like way too gentle or fragile or whatever to really handle an exfoliant, but I wanted to today because I was going to put a lot of moisture on it. I wanted all the crusties off of it. And then I put a mask on. Today I use like the Redkins mask for their like total lengths. It's way up there, I can't reach it. And then I'm just sitting here with my favorite beverage of choice. And there's two reasons actually, why I chose to make today like a self-care day. One is because yesterday I cleaned the house, or at least the bathroom, so the tub was extra clean, and it is Monday. And if you've been around here for any amount of time, then you'll know Monday is the best day because Sister Wives is on. Even though I think we're getting to the end of the season, sadness. I'm afraid we're gonna probably come to the end of that pretty soon. So I am going to sit here in the tub and catch up on my Sister Wives new episode, and then I will see you whenever it's time to do more skincare. Okay, now sometimes I would do a face mask, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put on a little extra skincare. So first I'm going to put on some like vitamin C, and I have this Beauty Stat Universal Vitamin C Refiner. It's pretty potent vitamin C, so I definitely wouldn't do this like all the time. So it's kind of nice that I collect some of these like little sample packs to do it. This one I've definitely used before, and it's good. It's good. Definitely kind of brightens your skin. Not as noticeable on me, I don't think, because I'm already the definition of pale. So, looks like this. I will do that over my neck and my face. And I'm going to top that with just some hyaluronic acid serum. I also have a sample pack of that. This is the Good Molecules one. I do like this one particularly, but because I use clinical strength skincare, it really isn't like necessary. It's just I've been so dry, so that's why it's totally extra. I've showed you guys this before. This is my combo of clinical strength skincare. I highly recommend. Considering how much money I spent before I went to dermatologist rated skincare, it was like a lot because I would switch around things. Like, none of it's working. It's just like, buy something that's really good and like top the line and just be done. Is that exciting? Are the bottles exciting? Do they feel nice to use? Not really. But I have noticed such a difference since I have like switched to dermatologist skincare. Unbelievable. I'm going to treat my hair with some detangler and some wow spray. I don't think this does anything, to be completely honest. I think it's fine, but it doesn't really do anything. People recommend it, but I don't think it's that good. And then just put a little bit of oil in it. And I have actually a disposable fragrance that I'm going to use just for something a little different. It's actually this blue jasmine. It smells really good. It's a blue fig, jasmine, cedarwood. It's really beautiful. Definitely like floral comes through, but the cedarwood like kind of balances out like really nicely. So that's what I'm going to smell like tonight. And that's pretty well going to be it for skin, except for hands and feet. I'm going to go do some masks while I put on a cozy Christmas movie. Okay, so I decided to give Luna a bath too, so she could have a little spa time. So I'm going to sit here and cuddle her and keep her warm while she dries and watch Christmas Vacation, which is my favorite Christmas movie. Let me know yours down below. This year I want to see Spirit. I missed it last year. I didn't get to see it, so definitely want to get around to seeing Spirit this year. I've heard it's really good. Or is it Spirited? Might be Spirited. I'm going to put on my foot and hand masks and just have a cozy evening. I appreciate you joining me today for this little bit of a self-care day. Go ahead and take care of yourself today too. I'll be back tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Until then, dreamer, bye!